today we are going to discuss different vocabulary which is being used for same thing in American English and British English. So we are gonna find out what is the different words we can use to tell the same things in American and England, and also we will try to understand what it called in India also. Okay, so that is the topic, very interesting topic. We'll definitely come to know how people use different words for same thing in different part of the world. Now this is advanced spoken English course, so obviously I have taken little bit advanced level topic also. We must inculcate these things in our mind, so accordingly we can use the language and vocabulary judiciously when we speak with American or British people, or for that matter if you are speaking with Indian person, right? So that's the purpose behind taking this topic for advanced English course. So let's begin with the lecture now. Okay, so we are here now. As I told you that we are going to discuss different part of the vocabulary in English, British English and American English. We are trying to identify exactly what is the difference between these two kinds of vocabulary. So let's begin with the lecture now. British versus American English. So the first word, here we go, autumn and fall. Okay, so this side, autumn, the word autumn which you can see on the screen, that is British English, and fall, that word at this side, that is called American English. So these are the two words which use differently for the same thing. There is a season, right? There are fall, autumn, spring, winter and summer, all those kind of seasons are there. But the season which come in the September to November, that in that period the leaves of all the trees turn yellow and then gradually it falls down. Therefore in American people called it fall and British people call it autumn. Okay, so that is the first word for the day. Second, lift, elevator. Okay, we have lift for our college also. So in British people, the instrument, the electronic device which we use for going up and down in the building for traveling purpose, American called this particular instrument is elevator and British people called it lift. Next word, truck and lorry. So for this in India we call it truck, lorry, some people for that matter, but Britishers called this vehicle lorry and American call this vehicle truck. Okay, next word, handbag. So now you can see the purse. Some people in Indian also call it purse, right? But in Britain it is called handbag, and in America this particular thing is called purse, right? You need to understand the picture, and for that picture what is the word used in American English and British English, right? So we are going to learn so many words like this in today's session. Next word is taxi. We also called it car, right? But in Britain they called it taxi. In America they called it cab. Nowadays in India also people are calling cab, right? Ola cab and Uber cab, right? That. But definitely Indian also call this vehicle as car, right? Next one, we'll see the next one, trouser. British call the trousers and American called it pants, right? The next word, underground and subway. You must have traveled in Pune. There are so many subway, the road which go through under the underground, right? So Britishers called it underground as it is, but Americans called it subway, right? The next word is petrol. We always use petrol pump for filling the tank of petrol, and that's why normally in India people call petrol pump, but American it called gas or gas station, right? Petrol and gas. Sweets, any sweet thing. Britishers called it sweets, American called it candies. For that matter, it can be chocolate also. Next one, queue in British, line in American. Queue means जैसे कि लोग एक बड़ी लाइन करके खड़े हो जाते हैं किसी चीज के लिए, उसको क्यू बोलते हैं ब्रिटिशर्स, और अमेरिकन बोलते हैं लाइन, राइट. इंडियन ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लाइन. फ्रेंच फ्राइज एंड चिप्स, यू नो दैट देर आर फिंगर चिप्स. इंडियन कॉल्ड इट फिंगर चिप्स, ब्रिटिशर कॉल्ड इट चिप्स, and American called it French fries, right? Next word, film and movie. British people called any movie, they called a film for the movie, and American called movie, Indian calls film, okay, cinema, and there are so many words in Indian language also. But as far as the standard English is concerned, Britishers called it film, American called it movie, right? Next word, pharmacy or drug stores. We have medical for that matter in India. So pharmacy or pharmacist, which means the person who is selling medicines at the medical stores as far as the Indian English is concerned. But American people called it drug store, not medical store or vaccine store. They called it drug store. Next word, petrol station. We Indian called petrol pump. Britishers called it petrol station, and American called it gas station. Whether it is petrol or gas, it doesn't matter. When the vehicle is going for filling the tank of fuel, then definitely Americans called it gas station. Next one, curtains, drapes. Curtain, we put the curtain on the window, so we also in English call curtains as Britishers, but American don't call it curtains. Instead of that, they use the word drapes, right? Drapes. Open the drapes of the window. They can use like this. Director and manager. Director is a person who is leading the company in some direction, but American don't call it director. Instead of that, they use word manager, right? The next word, dustbin. Everyone know in India, even we call it dustbin for throwing any trash or any garbage. The instrument which we can use for collecting all types of garbage. But American people called it garbage can, right? Throw the paper in the garbage can instead of dustbin, right? Next word, garden, yard. Britishers use the word garden for any kind of garden, but instead of using garden, American people called it yard, right? Don't play in the yard instead of garden, right? Next one, goose pimples, goose bumps. तो ये हमारे शरीर के ऊपर छोटे 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 जो चिकन पॉप्स आते हैं उसको बोलते हैं गूज पिंपल्स ब्रिटेन में, और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में सेम चीज को कहा जाता है गूज बम्प्स, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, हेडमास्टर, the person who is leading the institute, educational institute, that person in Britain is called headmaster or headmistress, but in USA it is called principal, right? Next word, holiday. When we get free time from our work, that is in Britain they called it holiday, right? We have holiday, we don't need to work anymore. But American people, for the same thing, they use the word vacation. We are on the vacation, so we are at home, right? Holiday, vacation. Iced lolly, popsicle. So we have that in village to village, in summer season especially, this ice candy can be sold by the ice candy seller everywhere. Indian people called it ice candy, iced lolly Britain people, and popsicle American people. Call the name has been given to these particular things. Jumper and sweater. Okay, this particular cloth is called in Britain English jumper, in American English sweater. Next, football. Football is a very famous game, everyone know about it. So British people use the word football as it is, but American people use the word for the same game as soccer. They use the word soccer. They are playing soccer, not football as such. Next word, lavatory. Okay, lavatory means toilet, washroom used for fresh, getting fresh and all that. But lavatory, the John's toilet, this word can be used for the in the British English. American people call it bathroom, restroom or washroom. Next, motorway and highway. Okay, so India also called it highway. The road which is there, the British people call this is a motorway. American people called it this is highway, and Indian also follow the American pattern, highway. News agent and news dealer or newsstand. So news agent, the person who is selling newspaper, that person is called in Britain news agent, whereas the same person is called news dealer or newsstand in America. Letterbox, mailbox. So the box where we kept all the letters, or we put the letters, and then the postman or a mailbox person come there and collect all the letters. That particular device, in British English it is called letterbox, American English it is called mailbox, in Indian English people call it post box, right? Next, postman, mailman. Okay, in Indian also we call postman, but American people call mailman for the same person. Next, blocks or flats, the building where we have residential apartment, that apartment is called in British flats or blocks, but in America same thing is called apartments, right? Next one, receptionist and desk clerk. Everywhere, British and other part of the world, the person who is providing necessary information about something, that person is called receptionist everywhere. But in American, the same person is called desk clerk, right? Something new here. Sofa or couch, people call sofa or couch in Britain for this particular thing, but in American no couch but only sofa, right? Next, torch, battery. Indian people called it battery, British people called it torch, and American people called it flashlight. Next, sitting room. For this particular room, British called it sitting room, American called it living room. Okay, and Indian also follow the same pattern, either American or British. So rubber, the eraser, okay, we use for rubbing our anything which we have written by using pencil. So British called this particular thing rubber, American called it eraser, right, which erase the pen. Okay, we have that speed breaker everywhere on the road, but for the same speed breaker, Britisher called it sleeping policeman, American called it speed bump, and Indian called it speed breaker, right? So these are the same words. Take away and take out. When you go to the hotel and if you have not finished everything which you ordered and you want to take it at home, then Britishers call it take away food, American take out food, right? Next one, nutter and crazy person. The person who is doing something very unusual things, that person is called nutter, which means mad in British English. American called it crazy person. Next one, jelly. Same in India also we called it jelly, the chocolate, the jelly, right? But American called it jello, right? After pause they will say the word o. Basin, wash basin. Indian people called it wash basin. We'll get it everywhere in every hotel after dinner and lunch. We go there to hand our wash. So that is why Indian people called it wash basin. Britishers call it basin, and American called it sink, right? Next one, car park, parking lot. Okay, so when there is a huge ground which is empty for parking your car, that is called car park in British English, but the same thing is called parking lot in American English. Next one, cinema and movie theater. The place where we watch cinema, that place in British is called cinema hall or cinema. but in American English the same thing is called movie theater. Movie theater, right? Then cooker and stove. We have cooker at our home, that is British cooker, but American people call same thing as stove, not cooker, right? Next one, candy floss and cotton candy. इंडिया में आप लोगों को पता होगा, जो रेलवे स्टेशन पे वो एक बंदा एक लकड़ी हाथ में पकड़ के उस लकड़ी को जो एक मिठाई बहुत ही ऐसी मतलब जैसे मुंह में डालते हैं तो पिघल जाती है, उस तरीके की एक स्वीट मिठाई पिंक कलर में रहती है, वही सेम चीज़ को इन ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश इट इज़ कॉल्ड कैंडी फ्लॉस एंड अमेरिकन इंग्लिश इट इज़ कॉल्ड कॉटन कैंडी, राइट? कॉटन कैंडी. Next one, chairman and president. The person who is the in charge of the country is called chairman in Britain. The same president is called in America. The same person is called president in USA. Thank you so much. The lecture is in here. You must have learned so many words, different words in America and England and also in India. So this is what I wanted to tell you in today's session. Now the task for this is that you have to write 20 sentences by using British words and 20 sentences by using American English. So that is for the day. So we'll stop here. Till then, bye bye. We'll meet next lecture. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.